best for furniture introduction. The growing demand for mechanical keyboards shows how much typists and gamers value tactile feedback, reliability, and customization. This guide evaluates top choices by switch type, build quality, layout, and value, ensuring you find the right one for productivity and play. Below, we review 5 outstanding sanders designed to deliver smooth, professional results, so you can refinish or restore your furniture with confidence and ease. List 1. Makita B0530K 5-inch random orbit sander with tool case. The Makita B0530K is a favorite among DIYers and professionals alike for its combination of power, precision, and comfort. Its 3.0 amp motor delivers up to 12,000 OPM, orbits per minute, ensuring fast, swirl-free sanding. The rubberized palm grip makes it easy to hold for extended periods, reducing fatigue during big projects. It features a high-capacity dust collection system with a built-in filter to keep your workspace cleaner. The included durable tool case makes it convenient to transport and store. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting sander to tackle furniture refinishing or woodworking, the Makita B0530K is a solid choice. List 2. Dewalt Orbital Sander Kit, 5-inch, 3-amp, corded, 12,000 OPM, WE6421K. The Dewalt DWE6421K is another excellent option for furniture projects, combining compactness with strong performance. Its 3.0 amp motor also delivers 12,000 OPM for efficient, high-quality sanding. It features a shorter height design to get closer to your work surface and a rubber overmolded grip for improved comfort and control. Its dust-sealed switch prolongs tool life by keeping out debris, and the dust bag system makes cleanup much easier. The sander comes with a sturdy carrying bag for portability. This sander's balance of durability, dust control, and comfort makes it perfect for serious DIYers and professionals alike. List number: Dewalt Electric Sander, 1/4 inch sheet, 14,000 OPM, DWE6411. For those who prefer sheet sanders for furniture finishing, the Dewalt DWE6411 stands out. With a 2.3 amp motor producing an impressive 14,000 OPM. It's designed for ultra-smooth, fine sanding jobs. Its rubber grip and counterweight design reduce vibration, making it more comfortable to use over long periods. The paper clamp system keeps sandpaper securely in place, and its dust-sealed switch and dust collection bag help minimize mess. This quarter sheet sander excels in detail work and flat surfaces, making it ideal for furniture projects that require precision and finesse. List number: Skil 5-inch random orbital sander with cyclonic dust box and 3-piece sanding sheet. SR2110601. The Skil SR2110601 offers fantastic value for money, making it an excellent pick for hobbyists and weekend warriors. Powered by a 2.8 amp motor delivering up to 13,000 OPM, it provides reliable performance for light to medium sanding tasks. Its standout feature is the innovative cyclonic dust box, which efficiently collects debris and makes it easy to empty. The compact design and soft rubber grip ensure comfortable handling, and it comes with 3 sanding sheets to get you started right away. If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly sander for furniture or small woodworking projects, the Skil SR2110601 is a great choice. List 5. Black+decker Detail Sander, 1.2 amp, 16,000 OPM, compact design, 3-position grip for comfort. If your furniture projects involve tight corners and detailed work, the Black+decker Detail Sander is an indispensable tool. Its compact, lightweight design allows you to reach into nooks and crannies with ease. The 1.2 amp motor runs at 16,000 OPM, perfect for fine detail sanding. The unique 3-position grip gives you versatility and control in different positions, making it very ergonomic. It's especially effective for intricate designs and finishing touches. Affordable and beginner-friendly, this detail sander is an excellent addition to any furniture restoration toolkit.